Alright, we just showed up for hunting.
But no
no birds yet. So we're gonna figure out what's going on. Didn't think anyone was gonna come, and we're gonna do 2 hunts today. So
and a beautiful fire.
And now we have a fire. We're not cold anymore, and
I got coffee.
Dad's got coffee. So we're waiting for him to load out the birds, and then we will be on our way. So it's, well, I don't know, but what time is it? About 9 o'clock now?
Oh, let's see. 9 o'clock straight up.
9 o'clock. So we've been here about an hour waiting for him, and he finally, we were pulling out, and he finally came up. So we've been talking and getting the fire going, and we'll be hunting here soon. So alright, just leaving, getting the hunt out. Hopefully we'll find something good.
Good girl, come on. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Good girl.
My parents' new dog.
Good girl. Come on, Remy.
She's doing good.
Come. Oh, good girl.
What a good girl.
Oh, you're a big girl.
No, that's not true.
That's fantastic.
This dog's on point.
Look at that.
Yeah, I shot second.
Alright, first hunt's done. We got 5 birds. And yeah, so here soon we'll go out on another one. Okay, out for the second hunt. And hopefully we'll get some good shots in. Alright. Okay. Well, we got one more bird, and we can't quite find it. Sadie's hunting in this area, and we haven't found it yet. So, one more. We got 4 so far, and 5 the last time. So, we've been everywhere. Out there, up there, over there. We're gonna go and try to find it again.
Gunny heel. Done. Done. Hey. Guns are easy, buddy. Whoa. Whoa. Gun. Gunner, come. Oh. Where's the bird gun? Where's the bird gun? Where's the bird gun? Gunny. Yeah, that was not probably not the best to shoot.